I was assigned Mr. Lair on one really cold February morning this past year. And he was becoming a frequent flyer in our ICU with end-stage COPD.
He had a very tough illness. He had a severe emphysema, and he had been admitted several times, and this time he had a very severe pneumonia. He was able to breathe on his own and be coherent and competent, but he was getting weaker.
When I did my assessment with him, I did find a very cantankerous, angry man. But what I noticed when I was done, there were pictures all around the room of him and a horse. And I asked him, I said, "Are you a horse person?" And this little sparkle came into his eye. And he told me all about Cece.
Cece's been in his life for the past 2.5 years or so, and we just really have enjoyed her on our farm with the kids riding her and occasionally my dad getting on her.
His goal during his last visit was he just wanted to get well enough so he could go home to see her one last time. That was really his thing.
And I happened to look out the window, and his room is right by the heliport and the ambulance parking lot, which would adapt a horse trailer perfectly. And so I walked out of his room, and Heather Cavanaugh, a colleague of mine who was also a horse person, I said,
"What do you think if we brought that pony in? I think a trailer could pull up right here. I think that we could do it." I'm like, "I think we definitely could."
I got this phone call from the ICU, and it was alarming, and it was Janelle, and she said that everything was fine. She was heading over to our farm to pick up Cece, and I thought she was kidding. There's just no way the nurses from the ICU are going to bring a horse over here. Well, she was serious.
All of a sudden he pulls the trailer up outside the window and unloads this cute little blonde pony. She saw her dad, there's her dad. She was so happy, and he was so happy.
And he took his hand, and it was shaking, and Dolores took his hand and filled it with carrots, and that pony came right through the window and ate the carrots out of Mr. Lair's hands.
And just the joy it brought to my dad as we rolled the bed beside the window, and he could just love on his horse, and he just couldn't believe that was taking place. They had a party in the room, and Cece was there, and he just had a great old time.
To see the look in Mr. Lair's eyes was just incredible. There was life.
He glowed for like a week afterwards. He just glowed. That was he was just so proud of that moment, and he showed the pictures whenever he got the opportunity. And I think that was his piece, that he got to see her.
It was amazing to see everybody work together and just have so much fun and just give that holistic approach to caring for our patients.
We always emphasize giving medications and all these machines, but at one point what you need is the loving care and the human touch, and in this case, the animal touch.
It was just an amazing moment, and I think that as far as my nursing career goes, that's one of the most touching times. It's one of the most wonderful experiences, and I wish we could do it more often.